In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a form in Asana. First, open Asana and go to your project. Choose the project where you want to create the form. Now click on Customize at the top right. In the sidebar, select Forms. Click Create Form or Add Form. Now start building your form. Add fields like name, description, priority, or drop-down options. Click on each field to edit its title and type. Set fields as required if needed. Customize everything based on the information you want to collect. You can preview the form to see how it looks. Once done, click Save. Now copy the form link and share it with your team or clients. All submissions will automatically create tasks in your project. That is how you create a form in Asana.